Are you ready to transform your rental property into a thriving investment? Today, we'll be talking about a game-changing guide where you can unlock the secrets to rental success. Whether you're a seasoned landlord or just starting out, our proven strategies will help pave the way for your property to stand out in the bustling Chicago rental market. In the competitive landscape of property management, achieving rental success hinges on two critical factors: maximizing rental income and minimizing vacancy rates. Here are 5 tips to create and maintain a thriving investment. Tip number 1, set an optimal rental price. The foundation of rental success lies in setting the right price. It's essential to conduct a comprehensive market analysis to understand the current trends in rental rates in your area. This research will enable you to price your rental property competitively, ensuring it's attractive to potential tenants while still providing you with a desirable return on investment. Remember, overpricing, while enticing, can lead to longer vacancy periods, while underpricing may affect your profitability, of course. Tip number 2, boost your property appeal. First impressions matter. Enhancing the curb appeal and overall attractiveness of your property can significantly impact its desirability. Simple improvements such as landscaping, fresh paint, and regular maintenance can make a big difference. An inviting property not only attracts more tenants, but can also justify a higher rental rate, reducing the time it spends on market. Tip number 3, implement an effective marketing strategy. In today's digital age, a strategic marketing approach is critical. Utilize online listing platforms, social media, and local advertising to broaden your reach. Tailor your marketing efforts to target your ideal tenant demographic, ensuring your property gets in front of the right audience at the right time. A well-crafted marketing plan increases visibility and leads to more inquiries, ultimately reducing vacancy rates. Tip number 4, create compelling listings. Your property's listing is often the first point of contact with potential tenants. High quality photos and a detailed description that highlights the property's best features can set your listing apart. Invest in professional photography and take the time to craft a compelling narrative for your property. A standout listing not only attracts attention, but also helps potential tenants envision themselves in the space. Tip number 5, prioritize tenant communication. Timely and effective communication with potential tenants is key to converting inquiries into leases. Be responsive to questions, schedule viewings promptly, and maintain a professional yet friendly demeanor. Building a positive relationship from the first interaction can significantly increase the likelihood of securing a lease. Moreover, satisfied tenants are more likely to renew, contributing to a lower vacancy rate in the long run. Maximizing rent and minimizing vacancies are achievable goals with the right strategies in place. By implementing the 5 tips we discussed today, property owners can navigate the rental market successfully. At Landmark Property Management, we're dedicated to helping our clients achieve rental success here in Chicago. Feel free to use us as a resource, and for more insights and assistance, visit our website at chicagospropertymanagement.com. That is Chicago's with an S, chicagospropertymanagement.com, or give us a call. Thank you.